Hey Camille, my name's Craig from Equilibrium Digital, and in today's video I'm going to go over 3 things you could start doing today to help bring in more customers to your business. I work with businesses to help grow their customer base and boost sales through numerous strategies of digital marketing, and have found that by giving people an easy free plan of things that they could do themselves to impact their business positively for free has resulted in some of those local business owners putting their trust in me to help grow their company. So, by the end of this video, you've liked what you've heard, and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve and digital marketing strategies that can help your business grow. Just simply shoot me a message back and we can set up a meeting. Or, if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free plan I give you and do it all yourself, again, that totally works for me. So, let me not waste any more of your time and cover 3 things that will help bring in more customers to your business and help you put your company above your competition. So the first thing I want to talk about real quick is just basically that this is all I could find on you was your Google My Business page. As you can see here, it's missing some info as far as like a website and a good description. Also, I noticed that you do have probably like 10 photos, maybe a little less, but none of them are geotagged or saved to help you with keywords and finding. They're just basically, it's not fully optimized. Also, some of your reviews are, obviously this one's not great, but the other ones are really good, so having a good high review is pretty important. Now, with all that said, I'm just going to go over then kind of your competitor stuff and show you what we look at. So a simple search of roofing company St. Louis, and I know you guys do more than roofing, but I saw most of your pictures were roofing, and you guys were, you do roofing as well. So the number one search in the organic listing showed Ferguson Roofing. Now you're probably saying I see a 1 there, but that's Angie, so that's a directory. But we're talking just business websites. So here they are at number 2, Ferguson Roofing. So the first thing I want to talk about is content. Now we can see here that they only have 490 words, which is very shy of what is needed. Now Google has released that to be optimized within their system and their search engine, you want to have at least 1,500 words to be optimized. Now with them only having 490 words, this is one area that would be super easy to beat them at by having a website built with good quality content at that 1,500 word mark. Now of course content quantity isn't the thing that's going to pull you all the way to the top, but what it does help is with getting that keyword and keyword density. As we can see here, they have keywords of roofing, Ferguson, St. Louis, Ferguson Roofing, and they have it 6.5 4 times. Now with 1,500 words, you could have these in the double digits. And why that's important is because when I typed in roofing company St. Louis, when the algorithms crawled the pages, they found those words to be prominent on this website, and that's why they pulled them towards the top. Now the second thing I want to talk about is citations. So this is them again, Ferguson Roofing, and I ran them in a tool called WhiteSpark, and we can see that they have 48 citations. So citations are simply going to be your directories, right? Your Angie's List, your Home Advisor, your Bing, Crunchbase, MapQuest, Yellow Pages. You've got some other ones here as well. You can think of White Pages, BBB, anything where it's a directory of businesses. Now citations are great because what they do is they provide your business information out into the website and kind of give Google that view that your business is relevant and that it's real, because there's a lot of websites that are made that aren't necessarily real businesses, but they're made for businesses just to draw leads in. The third thing I'm going to discuss is the most important thing, and that's going to be backlinks and link juice. Now, when I cover this, it is a very important aspect because what we do is we call this link juice. And you can see when we search for we search for roofing company St. Louis, that Ferguson Roofing is the number 1. Now, this is where you want to be, and the reason that, or the way you can get there, is to beat out the competition in every aspect. The link juice, simply put, works like this. Site A is pointing to Site B. So in this instance, Site A is another site, and Site B is Ferguson. Now, Site A is giving Site B, Ferguson, some of their power, and ultimately giving this authority score, or what we call a domain rating. Now, the reason this is important is because in Google's eyes, it's pretty much a popularity contest. They want to see that a lot of other websites are vouching or giving this website authority. Additionally, quantity is important. As you can see, they have almost 5,000 backlinks, but quality is king because they want to see that it's coming from other prominent websites. So for example, another roofing website, or maybe a shingle supplier, not Pizza Hut, because they're not slinging pizzas, they're building roofs. Now, the reason this is important is because Google really cares the most about this. They care about the quantity and citations and the quality of the content. However, this is the most important thing that they look at. And this is really where you want to look. This is really what's going to help bring them up and bring your website up to the top after it's built. Now, in closing, we discussed three things. We discussed the importance of content and having a minimum of 1,500 words when you build your website on the home page. Secondly, we discussed citations and how you want to have at least 100 or more to really crush that competition at 48. Lastly, we discussed link juice and backlinks and how you need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google that you are the authority. Now, if you implement these strategies today, you can be #1 across Google easily. So I bet you're wondering, what now? Well, you can go with the information I provided you today and do this all on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you can give me a call at 813-515-3488. Once again, my name is Craig, and my number is 813-515-3488. I look forward to hearing from you, and have a great day.